Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Dmc Delorean, the car from Back to the Future. However, in the standard version, before Doc Brown converted it into a time machine. From a Hot Wheels Factory Fresh Series number 7 of 10 of 2018, that means this car is already a good 8 years old now. And in my opinion, an all-time classic car. This car is just mega cool, mega detailed. I just love the DeLorean. It's such a cool vehicle. Even without the Back to the Future movie, I think it's just mega cool, at least from the looks, of course from the performance. We know of course that it is rather not such a good vehicle. Quite interesting here, actually DMC should also be written on the front. You can see it here on the picture, it also says DMC on it. Unfortunately, Hot Wheels has left that out here, but it says on the back of the numbers, DMC, with the rear lights. You can even see the two exhaust tailpipes hinted at, which is also very cool. Then back here with these panels back there on the rear window, that looks very cool. Here with the gull-wing doors, of course they cannot be opened on this car. I also like this silver ring on the wheels, which looks really excellent, very much. From below, however, it still looks quite okay. You can even see that this vehicle is from 2009. So as I said, it's a bit older than the car, but for me it's an all-time classic. I don't know, what do you think? Feel free to write it to me in the comments. I think this car is just as cool as it gets. In any case, excellent car. That's why I thought the Tesla Cybertruck was so cool, because it was a bit reminiscent of these DeLorean. But this DeLorean is really an excellent car. I would like to drive it myself, to be honest, but unfortunately it has become very expensive, this vehicle, and of course it is also very rare, because it was only built for a short time. Exactly, I thought I'd show it to you quickly. I'll make another comparison video with the time machines from Back to the Future and then we'll compare them together. Then until the next video. Bye.